How many animals does a vegan save in a year? Well, dozens of small, most abused factory-farmed birds for poultry and eggs. About one pig abused from birth to death in factory farms. About half a cow, or 2 animals if you count the mother and the calf. Dozens of small fish from fish farms or massive super trawler nets that rape oceans. Pause to read that. Factory farms, meat.org. Deforestation, world hunger, feeding most crops to animals pooped out. Save yourself and your health. And many more if you get active. Be an activist. Vegan